All right, so we're going to take a look at number 3 and 4 on the Denver East Algebra 2 final exam review packet. All right, so we're simplifying, and we're simplifying two polynomial fractions. And luckily for us, we already have everything in factored form, which actually makes this really, really easy. So when we're simplifying, we're looking for common terms that we can cancel out. And in this case, 3x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1 is 1, so that just cancels out, as does x plus 4 and x plus 4. So really, we're just left with x plus 4 over x. So that one's actually really quite quick. For number 4, we have find the inverse. And when we're trying to find an inverse, what we're really trying to do is we're going to take the x and the y value and we're going to switch them and then solve for y. So we know that this piece right here is equal to y. So I can write this as y is equal to 2 to the x minus 1. Well, now to find the inverse, we're going to flip it. And so we have x is equal to 2 to the y power minus 1. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 1 to both sides. And that's going to give us x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of y. So at this point, to get the y out of the exponent, we have to turn this out of exponential form or notation and using logarithmic notation. And we know that when we have a log, so let's say log 6 of x equals 4, whatever. That is the equivalent to saying 6 to the 4th is equal to x. Right? So what we're going to do is we want to get this exponent by itself, and that's why we're going to use the log function. So we're going to go with the log, and I'm not going to write a base, so it's going to be assumed that the base is base 10. Oops, I'm sorry. The base is right here, so the log of 2, and the result was x plus 1 equals y. And so now we need to turn it back into function notation, and since it's the inverse, we have f to the negative 1 of x is equal to the log of 2, log base 2 of x plus 1. And so now we've successfully gotten that into inverse form. All right, so I'll do these next two on a separate video.